morning, Bryan City Schools! In a makeup game last night in the Battle of 127, the boys basketball team defeated Wert 44-33. Reese Jackson scored 12 points in the win.
Congratulations to the boys and girls bowling teams finishing out their regular seasons. The boys finished at 14-1 and the girls finished 15-0. Postseason play starts next week. Good luck.
The junior high basketball teams competed in the league tournament action last night. The 7th grade boys ended their season with a 33-18 loss against Patrick Henry.
The 8th grade basketball team beat Evergreen last night 50-40 to advance to the next round. Dylan and Dominique scored 14 points. Evan, Cox and Austin Koch each scored 9 points. The boys will play Thursday against Archbold.
On Monday night, Varsity Academic League was in action against Fayette, Liberty Center, Evergreen, and Patrick Henry. Bryan defeated Fayette, Liberty Center, and Patrick Henry, with their loss coming to Evergreen. The record finishes at 5-3 on the season. Next week, they finish their regular season with matches against Defiance, Delta, Napoleon. Good luck, team.
Have a terrific Tuesday!